Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Egg Chilli Manchurian, a quick protein-packed dish with spicy flavor and crunchy vegetables, perfect for light and tasty snacks. Let's start the recipe. Take 3 eggs in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Use fresh eggs for better taste. Egg chili is inspired by Indo-Chinese street food. Eggs cook very quickly, making them perfect for quick snacks. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Pour the egg mixture and scramble the eggs until cooked. Do not overcook scrambled eggs. Keep aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 green chilies. Add 2 tablespoons green capsicum and 2 tablespoons onion. Cook for about 30 seconds on medium heat. Capsicum add color and crunch to the dish. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix well. Soy sauce gives a rich umami flavor. Cook vegetables quickly to keep them crunchy. Add the fried eggs and cook for 1 minute while mixing everything together. Eggs are an excellent source of protein. Calcium provides vitamins and antioxidants. Homemade snacks help control oil and salt levels. A quick and nutritious option for breaking the fast. Your healthy egg chili Manchurian are ready, spicy, tasty and satisfying. Serve hot with roti or enjoy as a snack. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more Ramadan recipes.